So these clear, stackable pencil boxes are one of those simple little upgrades that makes you feel instantly more organized because you can see what's inside without opening anything. They snap shut tight and they stack neatly so you're not wasting drawer space. And truly, you don't need a perfect home. You just need a few smart systems that make staying organized feel easy. I use these for the grandkids' crayons and colored pencils, and they're amazing for Lego pieces, especially those tiny little sets and parts that always end up everywhere. But as a prolific artist, I love them for my studio days too. The removable divider is the game changer. I'll keep sharpeners and erasers on one side and little tools or trinkets on the other. So everything stays separated and I'm not digging around when I'm ready to create. Quick tip, organized by category. One box for drawing basics, one for color tools, and one for tiny parts. And let's not forget the bathroom. These are perfect for bobby pins, hair ties, scissors, nail clippers, tweezers, and any other travel-sized toiletries if you're going to travel too. You can see what you have, you can grab what you need, and your space stays calm. I keep a set of 6 on hand for those clean the drawer out kind of moments, because when motivation shows up, you want the tools ready. Small wins add up. Consistency is my standard. As an Amazon influencer, I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.